Let me see you put 'em up. Reach the sky, touch the stars up above. Cause it's one time for the underdog. One time for the underdog.
Hello everybody, in this small video tutorial I will show you how you can easily add a YouTube video to your WordPress website. Of course, it's the internet, there are tons of possibilities to do that, but let's jump into my screen and show you how you can easily do that. So step one, you go to a YouTube video you want to add. So there are many options, but let's start with the most easy one. So you just find a video, let's say this video, select the address, hit copy, you go to the WordPress website. Then of course you can choose where you want to paste the video, if it's the post section or the pages. In this example video, let's go for the pages, right? Once again, this is not a professional website. This is just a test play mini thing website, right? So just click on a page, and then since the new version of WordPress, it's rather easy. You just click here, okay, right click, and then you paste it, you wait a little bit, and then the embedded code converts everything, and then you see, oh nice, it's already there. So then all you have to do is you click update, then we click on view page, and ta-ta-ta, there it is. So you see, more easy than that I don't think it's possible. Of course, this is with the standard editor of WordPress. If you use theme editors or whatever, it's a little bit different, but in the end it's more or less always the same. You go to the URL, you copy and paste it, and of course you can also go for this option. Mostly I do this option, by the way. You click on share, and then you can click on enclose. So this is the embedded code. So here you can copy and paste that code also and paste it over in the post or page you want. So now that we are here, I'm just seeing this cool option. So not many people know this, but for example, if you say, okay, I want that people start here, so that they want to, if they open the video, it starts from here. You can just click on this. You say, what was it? 1 minute, I don't know, 30 seconds, something like that. And then you see the start 59 seconds, or let's say, let's play with the settings. You can all do that. So, and then of course, once again, you copy the code, go to the website, let's delete this block, paste in the new code, we hit update, you go to view page, and there you see, okay, it's a little bit smaller, but that was because of me. And for the people who were alert, you saw that the video started at 1 minute 45 seconds, which was mentioned here. So you see the width and the height here. These are the dimensions. If you want to play with them, you can do that also. So yeah, you can do that. Just make sure this is correct. Then again, you can always preview also, but this is a test website. Okay, we go to the page and then we hit refresh. Remember this button, refresh, and then you see it's a little bit bigger. And when we play again, boom, it starts playing at 1 minute 45. So as you see, it's really easy to do this. So yeah, that's all for this small tutorial video. So if you have any questions, as always, let me know, comment below, and see you in the next video. Bye!